Good morning, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2022 Volkswagen Transporter in white. This is the long wheelbase model, comes to you with just under 17,000 miles on the clock. And unlike other VW Transporters, this one does come with a tailgate rather than barn doors. This also adorns two cloth-lined seats, as I will just show you if we open up the passenger side door just here. This is an automatic transmission, as you can tell, and also this is a diesel fuel type. If we look on the steering wheel, you can see that it does have cruise control, hands-free calling and voice assist. Also buttons to control the screen upon the dashboard. Just below we do have our air conditioning, which can be controlled just here. And then above, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, radio, and the parking sensors can be viewed upon the screen. And if I do just draw your attention to the load area, I can show you that it is ply-lined, have cargo rings to tighten any load you may want to carry. As you can see, this one does not come with a bulkhead, but also a window at the back. Suggesting to this, you can then use a rear view mirror. So unlike other vans, this one does come with improved visibility as well. And if you'd like to find out more about this Volkswagen Transporter, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, or visit our site in Padworth for some more information. Thank you.